Question number 36 on the reading portion of College Board's Test 5. Which action would best address a question Watts raises about the study? So which action would best address a question Watts raises about the study? So Watts, remember, was the guy Duncan Watts at the end of the piece. He's the guy from Microsoft. He brings up a question. One question, line 74, is whether the positive herding bias is specific to the site or true in general. So he has an issue with the fact that, is this herding bias true for the site or in general? Because he has some concerns about the fact that business section and economic section yielded drastically different results with the manipulation. So he just wonders, what would address a question that he raised about the study? So he's asking, the question he raises is it positive herding bias to the site or in general? That's his question. Is it specific to a certain type of topic, or is it true all the time? Providing fewer fake positive comments. He's not saying, whoa, there was too many fake positive comments. He never says that. Because we have to understand what this would be answering, or what concern this would be answering. And he never makes a concern that there's too many positive comments. Using multiple websites to collect ratings. Maybe. Because isn't he saying, is this site specific? Is it specific for this site, or is it true in general? So let's test it on a bunch of sites to make sure it's not just one site. Maybe. What about C? Requiring users to register on the website before voting. Does he ever bring up once? Well, the problem I have with this is that users weren't registered. No. What about D? Informing users that voting data are being analyzed. Does he ever say, I have a problem with the fact that the subjects didn't know that they were being, their data was being recorded? No, he never brings that up once. He cares about whether or not it's specific to one site, line 75, or true in general, 76. So one thing that would address his concern would be B, using multiple websites to collect ratings. The answer to 36 is going to be B.